Go on.
I
3,
will.
2.
It's recording. I just need to like get in the zone.
Oh, okay. It's already been recorded. Can I do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. It's Bonfire night, and we're going to a bonfire. Well, a bonfire like night event thing. There might be a bonfire. It's at a school, and there will be fireworks. That's the main event.
Yeah.
And a bonfire night.
Yes, apparently. I am very excited. I've never been to a bonfire night before, so I do not know what to expect.
Well,
tell
what
me.
you can expect is a slight disappointment.
Why?
Because it's just what we do well in Britain, is mild disappointment.
Okay.
Warm drinks.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Probably some burgers.
Yes.
And like shitty hot dogs.
So these all sound perfect. I'm really excited. I won't be disappointed at all, guaranteed.
No.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing tonight, because yeah, and then we're going to our friend's house and he's gonna have a fire pit thing.
A chimney.
A chimney, yeah. And now we're gonna cross a busy road, so I will talk to you soon. So, I was incredibly rude before and I didn't introduce you my friend.
Hello.
This is Connor. He's my friend.
Can I go now?
No.
No?
I'm forcing him into this. But yeah. We have gone straight for the cider. This is Sarah! I just asked what the ladder thing is over there. You won't be able to see it, but I'll zoom in a minute. And what was your response, Sam? Tell them. What was it?
It's the traditional sideways fireworks ladder.
Of course.
How Guy Fawkes got into the Houses of Parliament.
I
burn one every year as a symbol of respect for the parliamentary authority.
They still won't tell me what it is. I don't know. It's fun being foreign sometimes.
These are traditional fire spinners. Because Guy Fawkes was famous for spinning fire. He used to spin it.
Was he now?
Head.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Also, Guy Fawkes is the only man to have a continually burning moustache.
Ah!
Because it was like a fashion thing.
Oh, okay.
Back then. So the reason Bonfire Night exists, there was a man called Guy Fawkes, and he used to light fires in Houses of Parliament.
Okay.
And everyone really loved him. And
what was his name?
Guy Fawkes.
Yeah. That's it.
Well, it's Guy Fawkes Bonfire was his full title.
Oh, okay.
And he used to go around lighting fires, and everybody just really loved him. So we started Bonfire Night to remember him.
Oh, he sounds like a really nice dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember the 5th of November, because Guy Fawkes was really nice.
That's how it goes. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Cool.
Currently eating a traditional bonfire night samosa. Little known fact, Guy Fawkes was actually the first Indian man to come to England.
Was he?
Yeah.
That why there's samosas?
Yeah, samosas.
Okay.
Any bonfire night you go to, samosas.
Why is there like mold inside? Is that just because it's cold?
Yeah, that's got to do with it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just Britain.
So miserable.
I've stolen the camera now.
This is now Connor's vlog.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, you probably won't be able to hear me over the music, but I'm gonna show you around. So it's a tradition in England to have large, bright. Oh, fucking hold it. Like that. You hold it like this, yeah. Like that. Okay. It's a tradition to have large glowing sticks that you hit your parents with.
Like, for example?
For example.
There we go.
There's one, but you can see all the way around. There's actually loads of them all over the place. And look, he's about to. Oh, he didn't hit his. Well, he's one of the nice ones, but most of them they just love to hit each other with them.
So this is the traditional milk illumination.
The milk illumination. Okay.
Because historically, when you had milkmen come to your house, when it got into the winter months, it was difficult. So it was traditional to leave a tea light in a milk bottle outside of your house.
Okay.
So that the milkmen could find it. And obviously, in these days of health and safety and plastic, fire's not a good idea. So what you do now is you put a small LED light inside a milk carton, and the milkman doesn't come to your house because we don't have milkmen anymore because nobody buys milk. It's just a historical remnant.
Actually is legit.
That's genuine.
Yeah, like
genuine fact.
Genuine fact. There's number one of the night. It's alright, Sam. I know you're reading.
Guy Fawkes actually produced cutlery, like knives.
Cutlery?
And, yeah.
He produced cutlery?
Yeah. So it was a man called Guy who made
cutlery in this country.
Cutlery. I'll tell you.
3, 2. My first official Burns Night celebration fireworks.
It's not Burns Night.
No, fuck, I did it again. Okay.
It's the night where we burn things. Not Burns Night.
I just got back from my first official Bonfire Night celebrations, and the fireworks were awesome. I still don't know what I was celebrating, but it was cool. It was fine. This is really foggy. There we go. Okay. The lovely Sam has made parkin, which I've never heard of before, but it's like a crap ton of sugar and...
It's called parkin because you park it in your mouth.
It's very weighty, it's quite solid. We also got the mulled wine on, and this is the parkin. I'm gonna experience it for the first time.
Park it in our mouths.
Yeah, we're gonna park it in our mouths. That looks much better.
Yeah.